My name is Christopher Ian Guhiting and I'm 20 years old and I'm taking the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Okay, let's rewind the very beginning. The first day, there's the excitement, the nervous, the panic. If I'm being honest, I was the person who walked into the lecture hall 5 minutes late, trying to not look like I was completely lost. But yeah, I totally was. And trust me, that was the beginning. I had to learn to navigate this giant campus, figure out the best place to eat, and honestly, just make sure I don't get lost between classes. It, it's like a whole new world and it can be a little overwhelming. But let's talk about the academics. Yeah, I thought high school was tough, but college completely different. At first, I thought I could breeze through the show up, take a few notes, and do the readings. I quickly realized I had to actually learn how to study. And I'm not gonna lie, there were days where I questioned everything. I wondered if I was smart enough for this. It wasn't just the coursework, it was the sheer amount of information and the expectation. I had to learn how to manage my time and study effectively. I admit, I wasn't easy, but eventually I found my rhythm. Now, let's talk about the social side of things. One of the biggest surprises for me was how hard it was to meet people. I mean, you're thrown into a whole new environment surrounded by hundreds of students, and yet I feel so alone. Everyone else seems to have found their group, and I was left wondering how do I even begin my make friends. Though I just woke up to someone and start talking. College is about more than just grades and assignments. It's about growth, making mistakes, figure out who you are, and discovering what really matters to you. You have your thought days, but the good ones, they are make it all worth it. So that is in my first semester of college. If you're just starting or you're already in thick of it, I hope this helps you feel little less alone. Remember, just just it's okay to struggle, it's okay to not having everything figured out, and most importantly, it's okay to take your time. So, thanks for watching, and if you had any experience like mine, good, bad, or funny, drop a comment below and share. Let's support each other and see you next time. Thank you and goodbye.